Hi everyone, want to change the language of videos on YouTube? Don't worry, it's very easy. Let me show you. Step 1. Open YouTube. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Step 2. Open video settings. Play any video.
अगर आप अपने घर को
Tap on the video screen. Then tap the settings icon at the top right. Step 3. Change audio subtitles. Now tap audio crack if available and choose your language. Or tap captions and select your preferred subtitle language. Step 4. Change app language. If you want to change YouTube language completely, go to your profile, settings, general, app language and select your language. Important tip. Not all videos support multiple languages. If you don't see the option, it means that video does not have it. And that's it. Now you can watch YouTube in your preferred language. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more easy tips.